Now in this question, the key that you're going to be looking at is you're trying to basically compare the period and what happens if you monkey with stuff. So the key equation that you're going to work here is it's period of a pendulum. T is equal to 2 pi square root of L over G. And what you're going to do is you're going to change a variable. So we know the period is 4.5. And so for part A, you are going to change the mass. Hint, hint, is there mass in this equation? No. What's it going to do to the period? Thinking about it, right? What if you double the length of the string? Now that does change. The 2 pi doesn't change anything. So and the G and the 2 pi are going to be constant. So it's really almost like you're playing around with the square root of L. And if I double L, then L becomes 2L. So it's 4.5 times the square root of 2, whatever that is, right? You'll have to calculate that numerically, right? What if I cut the length in half? What is this, 2? You don't put 2 here, but a half here, right? And then letter C, if we change the amplitude. If I change the amplitude, do you see amplitude in the equation? I'll bet you can figure it out.